Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you like what you see, hit that like button. In this video, you'll see a real-time vegetable garden harvest. Let's see what we can harvest for lunch today. Are you growing a vegetable garden? Oh, I see something here. You see what I see? It's a beauty. It still has the gloss on it and everything. Perfect timing. If the skin of the eggplant isn't glossy, if it's dull looking. Not picked at its peak time, but still edible. Young and tender, baby. And right next to the eggplant. And let's grab these broccoli leaves. They are edible as well. AJ's green thumb, you were just talking about the broccoli leaves, how delicious they are. Sauteed in olive oil, I think is what you mentioned. Delicious, delicious, and I agree. And I love mixing all of the greens. I love mixing the broccoli leaves with the cabbage leaves, with the collard greens, with the mustard green, just an overall great flavor. So yes, definitely don't forget to eat your broccoli leaves. Cook them the same way you would collard greens. OCD chick, she don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak. And some good eating. When you grow your food at home as organically as possible, you will find holes in your leafy greens. We're not the only ones, as they say, outside. These pests be outside. You know how we say, I was outside today. Well, yeah, the pests live outside. And they eat too. Every living thing has to eat. I'm going to leave a few on here. So for photosynthesis purposes, we're going to leave some of the leaves here, and we're going to go ahead and harvest this broccoli. Went a little too long. You see it's starting to flower here, but yeah, totally my fault. I definitely have to stay on top of harvesting at the peak time. It's so important. Let's go ahead and grab these. You can still eat it, still edible. Again, not perfection, but yes, we're going to eat it. I'm a small space vegetable gardener. I grow in the ground, in grow bags, as well as raised beds and containers. Olive oil, a little garlic, onion powder, Here's a really small one, little small side shoot here. Wash your produce, wash your backyard produce, because these worms can hide in some of the smallest crevices and ruffles in the leaves.
She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in her nails. From seed to the skillet, every meal tells tales. Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild. She the garden queen, hood raised earth child. Fresh greens popping and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe, make the sun say check. Wind down vibes.
These are so beautiful. Look at all the figs. Oh yes, I'm waiting on you. And you, and you, and you.
Young and tender, bringing that flame from the dirt to the dish. She changing the game. Hydro locked in, ain't nothing the same. E-Lock Nation, remember the name. Yeah, tech, she don't follow.
So I'll go ahead and make some tea. I'll just let it stay here. I'd rather have lemon balm growing here than grass, because the grass keeps growing. And so, yeah, I think I'm just going to use this to grow herbs. I think that'll be perfect. Why not grow more food? Just got to clear out the grass. But yeah, I think that's going to be a project there. This will be a little herb row. Oh, it's been raining like crazy. Cut it down some more. Lemon balm is so lemony. Smells so good. I'm not going to clean this up just yet. Leave that for now. Let the pests have it that. I'll come back out and get that. Right now, it's getting a little humid out here. Pepper plant here. This is the hot cayenne pepper. I'm excited about growing that. A lot of health benefits to eating cayenne pepper. Let me go on this side and see if I can find any more eggplant that may be hiding. Any squash over here? Yeah, I'm definitely doing another round of squash, because this squash back here is starting to slow down, not doing much. Possibly attacked by the vine borer. I just don't know it yet. So this time of the year, this squash and eggplant should be producing quite well. Look at this huge leaf. Look at that broccoli leaf. You know, definitely not at its young and tender stage. Careful with this squash. They have really prickly stems. So definitely be careful. And I do feel like I need to cut back this squash so that more light can get in. And that also could be the problem too. It's just not enough sunlight getting to this vegetable. So yeah, let's cut back some of these leaves while we're at it. You come out to harvest, but there's always maintenance work that needs to be done. These are the broccoli leaves. That's a lot of broccoli. Lemon balm, broccoli florets, and eggplant. And I am cutting back these squash leaves and just going down and just removing those. I'll just put them in there for now. I have to come back to clean up. I'm not going to do it on this video here. But yeah, tell all of the leaves are just wet and soggy. So let's just get that cleaned up. Yeah, that's much better. It's letting some sunlight in. Cut that back. Let's cut all that back. Some sunlight up and through here. Should have my gloves. Again, I wasn't expecting to be doing all of this, but I want to prop this up. It's going to let it fall like that. Yeah, just so that it's getting more sunlight down there. Let me pull out this bag as well. Oh, look at that. See, all of those leaves were hiding my vegetables. You got the gangsta lean. Yeah, let me trim back some of these leaves so that we can see what's going on in here. Look at that. Look at that. Really nice. Yeah, there's another small one. I'm going to give it some more time. Got a lot of broccoli leaves. Let's see what we can find up here in the main garden. All right, the tomatoes are standing out here, so let's grab these.
Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild. She the garden queen, hood raised earth child, fresh greens popping, and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe.
With all the rain, they're just bursting open. Just going to get them and let them ripen indoors. Oh, there's one that fell down there. I'm going to grab those. Pretty, pretty. These they fell off, probably the rain. I cannot wait to taste one of these ground cherries. Check out the cranberry crush. Ooh, woo. Oh, she's opening up. She is opening up. She produces a large dinner plate size flower. Look at all of these future flowers, future dinner plate sized flowers. I cannot wait. These amaranth leaves are edible. Let's taste one together. Let's taste one. Looks clean. All this rain. Mmm. It's sweet. Kind of like spinach. Mmm. That's really good. Here's another one. Mmm. Really nice. Mmm. I love these young and tenders. Mmm. Let's take a few of them inside. Love the flavor. It's not super earthy at all. So let's put those in there. I want that one. I'll take some of this. Make us a nice salad. I also started another round of Swiss chard. So it grows so well all year. Here in Zone 7B, I'm in Maryland. What is that? Oh, that thing scared me. Oh, from all the rain. Oh my God, I thought it was a toad at first. Okay, so let's get this Swiss chard. The more you harvest, the more it'll grow. So don't wait, harvest. Do not wait. So got some of that. Got some Swiss chard. Let's put that in there too. Oh, not yet, not yet. Only because you know I want you so bad. Oh no, remember the squash that I was trying to regrow? Well, it has succumbed to the elements. Yuck. Oh, the rain probably didn't help. Who cut in on you, honey? I thought it was a keeper. Oh, here's a berry. We're going to eat that now. No waiting on these. Let's see another back here. Oh, yeah. There's another one there. Oh, yeah. These are garden goodies. Mmm. Oh, here's one. Mmm. Now I've got to wash that one. And I'm going to eat it. If my immune system isn't strong enough at this point, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Grab these two. Nice, nice, nice. No, these look clean. Nice. Okay. Looking to see if we have any more cucumbers. Oh, there's another cucumber growing. Yes. Awesome. So there's another cuke. You all saw me when I harvested my first one. Too much rain. Too much rain. It's just, I feel like it's hindering the garden. Okay, it's July though. So this is when the garden really gets pumping here in Maryland Zone 7B. So I am ready for some continuous harvest. And yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go. Look at the bee. Oh, I can say this pepper plant has been showing off. Look at the peppers everywhere. I have plenty in the house right now. I don't need any more. I will grab this one. It's pretty long. I'll go ahead and leave those and come back out because I've got to eat again tomorrow. Okay, I think this is going to be enough. I've got some broccoli leaves, some Swiss chard, some tomatoes, love lies bleeding amaranth, a pepper. Yeah, I think this is going to be it for our lunchtime harvest. It's hot out here. It's not even quite noon. It might be noon now. So it's time to head in with all my goodies. Whew. Let's grab this eggplant and put all this stuff in here.
OCD chick, she don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak.
Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.